Okay guys, today I have a 2020 Toyota Rav4. I'm going to show you how to replace the cabin air filter. First thing you do is you open that. Next you're going to push these out and get it to go down a little lower. Now it's going to be held by this right here. You're going to push those two things in like that, and then pull this off, and that whole thing is going to come down. Next, this part right here, just going to pull it off. Pretty simple. And then right there, the cabin air filter, pull it out, look at it, see if it needs to be replaced or not. This one is actually pretty good, so we will just put it back in there. And then when you put this in, you're going to slide those two tabs in and then just push this side in. Push that up right there, and then stick that on again, and that's how you do it.